Hey guys, me and Marshall are back at it today. I want to do a real quick video on how I'm cutting my chromoly pushrod tubes and inserting the tips on them. I had a couple of guys ask me how I did it, and this is how I did it. It's just it's time consuming, but this will be a quick video. So sit back, get your coffee, enjoy. Alright, so this is my adjustable rod that I'm using the length for, and I've already cut two, actually cut three. I cut one more. So what I'll do, I set it on here like this, and then I have some Craft Smart paint pen. And I'm just going to mark this right here. I'm going to square it up to that. I'm going to take a razor blade and make a line there. Now, I don't know if you can see that, but I do have a line right there. And that's pretty precise. So what I'll do now, I'm gonna get my pipe cutter, and I'm going to go on the long side of my mark. That's too close. Okay, now you could see right there how far away I'm going to end up cutting, and then I'll put this in my lathe and shave that down to my line. If you don't have a lathe, then it's easy to just get on the sandpaper. You just got to make sure that you're square. Alright, so take this out, take it back to my micrometer, and I got quite a bit to cut off, shave down, but you can still see the line that I have to go down to right there, so that'll be pretty easy. Now I know not many have this little tiny lathe, but you could also put it inside of a drill, and you'd also use a drill for it. Just make sure it's on slow. Woo! Let's try that out. I still see that I'm way off, but I'm going to keep coming back to it, check it, because I can't add to it. I always take off. You can't add to. Still see my line, so I'll be long. Still see my line. As it gets close, I get a little nervous. A little more. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this just to open the inside, bevel it a little bit. Ah, so close. One more time. Keep saying that, huh? Bet that's it. Make sure you guys blow it off every time before you put your tip on. That's it, right there. The reason why I beveled the inside just a little bit in here is because these have just a slight little lip in there, and so they stand a little bit high on it. So what I'll do now is take it over to my press. Press it on. And that's it. That's finished. So now on to my my intake side. But you get the gist. So just take your time. I've already learned the hard way. This is my second set of push rods. So that's how I do it. I don't know if it's the right way, but it's my way. So yeah, just take your time with it and have fun. See you guys.